Alright, folks. I think I saw a Blue Line Baypointe. Yup, there she is. Here comes Blue Line Baypointe train. It's a one-car train, I noticed. Let's see what's leading up this one. (958B) is leading up this train. (958). There she goes to Blue Line Baypointe one-car train. Nice. Okay, guys, there goes Blue Line Baypointe. (958B) is leading up that one. And there she goes to Baypointe. Live at Ohlone Chynoweth San Jose. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Until next time, see ya. Alright, folks, here comes Blue Line train to Santa Teresa. 959B is leading up this one. And that's the same train that we took last Friday.
Here, you can sit up there.
Go, 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 go!
Wide open seat.
The doors are closing. The doors are closing.
Tony walked in front. Done.
Stop requested.
So I have to remember it's Cottle, right, Miss Z?
Blossom Hill. Next station. Blossom Hill.
Okay, here we go. Onto the freeway go.
No patas. No patas arriba.
Oh, somebody got pulled over.
Yeah,
That's not good.
that is not good. That's one thing you don't want, unless you need help, like a flat tire or something.
Yeah. Or a vehicle broke down.
Right.
Okay, dude. 200 miles, 3 hours. Just kidding.
You have no idea what you're talking about.
Good feeling.
Oh, you want to go 100 miles an hour?
300.
You would definitely get a ticket. Or probably have an accident at the port.
Just kidding.
Especially with all the cars. Yeah.
No patas.
You have to be.
You have a car.
Blossom
I have
Hill.
one.
You might as well go under it.
No patas, señor.
The doors are closing.
Ay. Elizabeth.
Stop requested.
Ay.
Now. Next station. Now.
Para, yo no soy su novio, para. más a él, no es mi novio.
No, no.
No más. Es él. Él. Está loco. No, está
Tú
loco.
loco. No.
Ah.
Now. The doors are closing. Stop requested.
Okay, Miss Nancy. I did the stop request. Miss Z.
Is this Snell on here?
Yes. No, Cottle's next.
No, I mean, but we already did Snell, huh?
Yeah, Snail's is
We
done.
just left. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joey.
That's why.
Next station. Cottle.
That was good, Joey. You were paying attention.
Another Blue Line Baypointe, 9:11 and 9:30. Another 2-car train.
Novia. Él no es mi novio, él es mi amigo para decir a mí yo, a él, no, no más, sí, está loco.
I'll go to the front, Miss Z. Oh, I can do a video. Here we're at Cottle Station, you guys.
Cottle.
Okay. We got. Alright, folks, we got Blue Line Santa Teresa train. Alright, you guys. Blue Line train to Santa Teresa train is leaving. 9:59B is leaving off this one. And 9:91. And there she goes to Santa Teresa train. Running 11 minutes behind schedule. Nice. Live at Cottle in San Jose. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Until next time. See you. Alright, folks. Here comes Blue Line train to Santa Teresa. 1-car train, guys, so 974B is leading up this one. Johnny, what do you think you're doing over there? Why is Johnny wants to get on this train? Again. There goes Blue Line 974B is leading up this one. There she goes to Santa Teresa train. Nice. One-car train. All right, guys. Blue Line Baypointe train is here. 9:47A is leading off this one. Go 49ers!
Right there. Hey, VC, move back.
I know.
Hey! What the heck? Oh.
You better not leave us.
Bye!
You better not leave us.
Bye-bye.
Train? Doesn't seem so. I know, just like.
VC.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, which one is why? I know which one is why guy. CB. CB.
What the heck?
CB.
Go back a little bit, guys, just in case
back.
it starts moving.
Oh my god.
CB.
Take a
Maybe someone needs to stop it.
Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, the train just got come to a halt. I will pause the video until this train until further notice. Alright guys, the train is finally in.
National Mando Tribe.
Stand up and see. There's a few empty ones over here that you guys can go to.
Over there.
Sorry, sir.
The doors are closing.
Alright, folks. The train is finally moving.
Now. Next station. Now.
Yeah, sorry you guys. I have to pause the video due because of the light rail train just got a little come to a halt. But we're back on schedule.
Now.
Excuse me. There you go.
The doors are closing.
Oh, Blue Line Santa Teresa, 941. A is leading off that one. VTA train car right now I'm on is 947.
Blossom Hill. Next station, Blossom Hill.
Right now.
Blossom Hill.
Hey, I can see the class coming here. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. Hey, Brendan. Hey.
When the doorways are clear, the train will proceed to its destination. Stop requested.
MZ, I already did the stop request.
Luis, here we go. Give up. Right now.
Ohlone Chynoweth. Next station, Ohlone
So Miss Z, we have to hold the door for everybody, even Miss Elena's group too.
I don't want to be one too.
All right, here we are at Ohlone Chynoweth Station. Hi, Brendan. Hey. Oh, I see Blue Line Santa Teresa train. Let's see what's leading up this one. 900B is leading up this one.
Ohlone Chynoweth.
And 993. Why does it says Blue Line Baypointe, but it's actually Blue Line Santa Teresa for some odd reason? Hold the door for everybody, Miss Z. Bless the group. Wait, is this everybody including Miss Elena's group? Alright. There it goes to Blue Line Baypointe. 947A is leading up this one. And there she goes to Baypointe. Nice. Live at Ohlone Chynoweth. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Until next time. See ya.